If we go to Control and Test Movie, you can see what I've been working on. This is one of my first Flash animations. I'm having a lot of fun learning this. I'm using it to promote my knitting patterns essentially. This video is going to explain how to do basic motion tweens and how to import things into the library and create a very simple animation such as my one. So if we go into File, Import to Library, and select our files, it takes a bit of time to process it, but all the files will then appear in my library section. Here we go. And you'll notice if I click on the flag, it's a PNG file, which is what I created in Photoshop. It's automatically created a symbol, which is the same thing. So if I click on symbol 6, you can see it's the flowers, which relate to roses. Symbol 7 is queen and carriage. So anyway, I'm going to start with symbol 5. I'm going to drag this onto the stage. Then with my modify, transform, free transform tool, I'm just going to very approximately cover my stage to the rough size so that I know everything fits within the size of the stage. Now I'm going to call this layer background layer, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on 60. So that's how many frames, 60 frames, and let's insert frame. And then as you move your motion slider across, you'll see that frames 1 to 60 we've got the flag in. So let's create some more layers and introduce some more objects. Let's call this Queenie, and I'm going to select the first frame. So we'll bring in our queen. Now I'm going to create motion tween, move my red slider over to 60, and hopefully when I move Queenie over here there will be a motion line, which there is, which shows that it is creating a motion tween. Now what I'm also going to do is alter the scale. So I'm going to hold down the shift key to keep everything in proportion and bring Queenie down. Now if I press enter, it's made a very simple motion tween. Now what I can now do is say click on 110, if I insert frame, it will copy the Queenie from here, so I can now move her. Let's say I can move her up this way, and if I press the shift key to keep everything in proportion, I can make her really blow up like so, and then you'll see that she moves as intended. So what we need to do now is adjust the background layer. So click on the background layer here, and then when you see the little white rectangle, in theory this is supposed to drag out. So if we press enter, what I might do is just finish her here. Look, that lovely queen. Press enter. So there we have it, just a very simple animation. Now if I go to control and where has it gone? Test movie. You can see the true effect. So that's what I've learnt so far in Flash. I'd like to thank you for watching my video.